Hello everyone, and welcome back to Bryan Holden Studio. My name is Mason Holden, and this conceptual work of art is entitled Rebuilding My Home. Although it is a minimal piece, it has a significant meaning that represents the 12-step recovery program and the guiding hand that helps one through the journey to see the light. This sculpture was created with the remnants of copper and aluminum wire that were left behind after our family's home was broken into and the wire and pipe stolen. In years past, this had been a frequent occurrence and commonly done by people so that they could get a few dollars from the scrap value of the wire to satisfy their addiction. In essence, while our family was rebuilding our home, the addict was reconstructing theirs. Your home may be torn apart, but you can always rebuild it. When you enter the front door, you have made the first step. Look up, and you will see a small light from above. Then take each day and step with the guiding hand towards that light. One step may take longer than another, but have faith and learn from the journey and His guidance. As you climb higher, pause for a moment. Look out the window, and you will see loving support from family and friends. The light is becoming brighter, so don't give up. Once you experience the transformation while rebuilding the bottom to top, then begin to spread the good word to help others rebuild and rise to the top as well. Thank you all so much for watching Bryan Holden Studio. I hope you all have enjoyed. Have a good day. God bless. Bryan Holden Studio is supported by viewers like you. If you like these videos, please consider supporting us on patreon.com/BryanHoldenStudio.